Good morning, welcome everyone. Hey, welcome chat, welcome great community. Welcome, good afternoon, good evening. How you doing? Just needed a bit of a time, guys, to finish my cup of tea and get things rolling. How do you feel today? We got a celebration week, we got a celebration time, we've got holidays soon, Christmas time soon. And we're starting 3 days of streaming from Monday to Wednesday this week. And best wishes, guys. Best wishes. Good morning. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining. Appreciate it. We can get started right in the subject. Right into the subject. So this is the big deal with this account here. We've got on YRM 8 days, so it would be day number 9. It would be day number 9 today. I only have to do $150 on day number 9. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. $150 needed for day number 9 on this account here. And we're gonna go for the max payout. Make sure to sign up for the giveaway. And let me just share the live stream with all the community members, pretty much in all the groups. You can do the same thing, guys, with your friends. Make sure to announce them and let them know about our great community we've got here. We're live. So big deal for the YRM. Happy Monday for sure. How much does it cost to move to funded account? From where, which prop firm? What is exactly? There you go. We're breaking today's high and we're moving. And this is the way it looks like on the 4 hours. This is the way it looks like. So 835 is a great level, 835. But let's not forget last month high, 266. Are they capable of taking that price section 266 before the year ends on 31st? What do you guys think about? So from a evaluation, how much does it cost? Or how much does it cost to purchase a instant funding account? Or what is exactly on the question? I'm not sure I get it. Let me know. Can you rephrase your question, buddy? Yeah, how much does it cost for the instant? The instant funded with my code right now is $450, which is 50% off. They're giving to you at $540. I give it to you at $450. So I negotiated an extra $90 for each account. You can have an active of 3 funded account. So that's $270 extra discount. Negotiated. $450. $6,000 drawdown. You need 10 days of $150. No payout target. And just respect that 20% consistency. And 10 days of $150. That's it. It's simple, guys. Like, don't tell me you can't make that and avoid $6,000 loss. Do not tell me. Welcome, buddy. Welcome. Maximum 3 funded. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Because I need $150, I'm going to micros. I'm going to micros. I'm not trading minis for 150 bucks. I'm going to trade micros. Good morning. Welcome, everyone. Thank you so much. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. So we're going to trade micros for the 150. It's going to be day number 9. Tomorrow, it's going to be day number 10. And I hope to be paid after I request the payout. Probably I can request the payout on 24th. And I hope to be paid on 24th so I can drop a video on the subject. Good morning. Thank you, guys. What a lovely day we've got out here. What a lovely day. And it's going to be a lovely week as well. I am ready. I'm ready to attack the market conditions. Back into the 5-minute structure. One of the things to keep in mind is the red line that I have is reacting really well. That's basically the dynamic swing and short volume weighted average price. I like to put my Fibonacci between today's low and today's high and tell you that the golden pocket is sitting around 710, 715. Keep that in mind, right? So that is basically 30 to 35 points away from here. Keep that in mind. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Enzo. Now, I'd like a Christmas present from my Bitcoin and from my altcoins. I would prefer that. I would prefer basically after all the retracements and flat price action movements we had throughout 2025 to see something moving. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Welcome. Yeah, probably 2026 first quarter. It's gonna be for those altcoins to move. Interesting level here for the micro 1 minute situation. Previous 1 minute pivot could give us a couple of points, but I'm not trading it yet. I'm really cautious. I only need 150 bucks. It's day number 9. So I'm cautious, guys. I'm trading different this way than in other conditions. I'm waiting for a different setup, for a different category of setup. It's interesting. It's not like I'm not feeling afraid of taking my shot. It's just that I'm trying to filter more and more. Trying to filter. Which is something I think I should be doing daily, no matter how close you're to a payout. But I also discovered that it's quite difficult. Just think about it, guys. The way we behave at the time we're close to the payout compared to the way we behave after we just had a big fat payout. It's interesting based on the feedback and output the market gives us, along with the profits, our trading journey, experiences, and so on, how we behave and how we most of the time do not adjust in the right manner. Could be an interesting level here if it holds for a little push. For a little push. That would be $100. Let's see if it holds on the 1 minute. We're going to put some buy limit orders a little lower. Good morning, welcome. Let's see. We have DC here. We've got 30 micros. 30. With a decent closing on this 1 minute candle and a pretty strong continuation in the next one, we could actually touch that target. That's 3 points away. $3 points away. Two green candles in a row here. Going for the trailings. Day number 9 would be closed. Thank you, Enzo, for your great words. Appreciate it. That's lovely. It's been my pleasure. And I'd like to continue as much as possible. I think we've got one of the best communities out there, which has certain values and principles you don't find too often. So we have a good value. And that's worth to be preserving and continuing with it. I'm going to cut my position soon here. It's not looking good. We haven't got the second green candle on top of it for the 1 minute. Didn't grab the liquidity there. We were not going for the trailings. Instead, we actually accelerated downwards. I'll cut my position and reorganize. Not an issue. But that's a pretty strong one. Yeah. As soon as we have a bit of a... Do we get something out of it? Nah. Come on. Let's see. Is there something behind it? Or I'm cutting it away? 25 contracts. We sold 25 contracts there. No reaction for the moment. We're not in a good long at a good place, certainly. But we just accepted a partial loss and we're gonna climb from there. Has been long from, yeah. Look at that one. This is a pretty inefficient candle on the 5-minute we have here. About to close like this, so let's just wait it out. Let's see a continuation of this candlestick. Let's see if we get a continuation after that first 1-minute green candle. That seems to be pretty capable. Yeah. With DC at this level, could actually give us something. My initial long got slaughtered. We have a flat opening and a little gap here on the 5-minute. Let's see, guys, if there's something behind it. Let's see. 1 minute is not looking bad for the moment. It needs more data. We also have here an account, actually 3 accounts, the Lucid Direct, that are not looking that good.
Order filled.
Testing out the 2 contracts long here, if it holds. 2 contract long here. Our Lucid Flex is a lot better. I think we only have a single day today for the Lucid Flex, and we're good to go for a payout on the Flex. Come on. Looks like a good start here. Looks like a good start here all the way into 45. Looks like a good start here, guys. Come on. Looks pretty good. We're gonna put a sell order right there. We're gonna be break even on Lucid Direct. I don't want to see such a wick. Come on. Yes, it's free integrated in YRM. Volumetrica, basically. We gotta push above the previous wick. If we don't, I'm out. Even in a small loss, but I'm out if we don't push above the previous wick. Could see the third green candle here. Let's see. The only dangerous spot here is to fall into the red line once again. Or even to the golden pocket side. That's what I'm questioning, guys. Looks like a temporary resistance here, totally confirmed. We need a couple of points. Come on. I'll put another 20 contracts there to be sold. Look at that. If we reject here, yeah, we sold some of the contracts there. And we're gonna reallocate lower on break even. We sold some on break even. And we're gonna DCA lower. Good morning, welcome everyone. So, like the video to be able to participate in the giveaway and also join our Discord. Be subscribed, we've got this 3 giveaways today. Leaving it open for the moment. On both sides. Our Lucid Flex needs 250 bucks. That's the only thing it needs. But that's traded on Quant Tower. This is looking quite interesting. I've DCA'd. And we're gonna be there for a runner. Let's see. I'm all... Oh.
Order filled.
What a massive rejection you got here.
Order filled.
We got stopped out on break even for the Lucid direct accounts on Project X. But this one... Pretty weird, guys, price action. Back into my long. Same thing here.
Order
3
filled.
contracts.
Order filled.
2 more. We're forcing the breakout here of this mini structure.
Order filled.
Might be able to receive it. Come on. Let's go, guys. Give me that little breakout there. Sell stop here. Sell stop there. Sell stop here. Come on, keep going. Gotta close out in something a little bit at least. Nah. Good. We sold something. We sold another round. In this case scenario, look at that. not been able to secure anything here. We'll take 170 from this one. From here as well, we'll take 117 too. 170, 117.
Order filled.
That's great. I think my contracts are visible. Secured something out here, eliminated some of the loss we had here. I will take a fireworks show for this one, guys. I mean, it was not easy. We had a bad entry on YRM. We accepted a partial loss. Boom. I'll take fireworks for a loss, guys, because we had a bad entry. We accepted a partial loss, and then DCA'd at the right spot, minimizing the loss. We accepted with the correct DCAs. Think about it. That sounds pretty interesting, right? And it was also close hitting that higher target, which could have put us into profit. So at the end of the day, it's not that bad. You see, you don't always have profitable trades from the beginning. Sometimes you gotta tweak and adjust and manage situations that are down, and from a bigger loss, you'd like to control it and transform it into something more digestible, I would say. Because we were down 650 bucks realized, plus on top of that, we're down like another 500, so I was more than 1,000 at some point. I'm questioning the red line here if we get to touch that and the golden pocket of this whole structure. We have a fair value gap here on the 5-minute for today. It's located at this point. It's tiny. It's around the 700s, but that is quite juicy. So if this is a local top here, you're going to get a higher low, which could be the one that we just had, and then the market would continue into the yellow lines. So I'm questioning the, it has been all about longs today, but I'm questioning the shorts and their capability. So I will take a test down the way here for a little short. Thank you, guys. You see, that's interesting. If it has strength, it's going to be interesting. If it's not getting bought up. DCAing is not going to be... Let's see. Just got to wait it out on the scandal. Lucid as well, guys. We're going to trade our Flex account soon. We only need 250 bucks there. Let me open up Quantower. Stop loss right there. We're going to get back higher if that's the case. Stop loss right above the current candle that we just opened. And I'm going to re-enter higher if that's the case. Somewhere around here. Yeah. So if we didn't continue like this, we might get something like that, right? Thank you guys, appreciate it. Everyone, make sure to like the video. Thank you so much for joining. We're trading today our YRM accounts. Lucid accounts, direct accounts, and Lucid Flex. Or Lucid Flex, one of the accounts, I think it only needs a single day. I'm going to verify that soon. And we're ready for a payout. That's an interesting situation we have here, guys. I'll take a $35 loss there if that's the case. I'll take it. But I'm smelling an interesting chance here. DCing right now. Micros are different. You can take your shots differently. Let's see. You can take your shots a little bit different. Stop loss break even, guys. Stop loss break even, $13 profit. Let it run. Bring it down here to the red line. The red line is sitting on 728. So I'm going to hunt that. 728. Let's see if we get it. Still not going to be sufficient with the current sizing on the entire... nah, look at that. It has been bought up all the way to the top. Nice job, market makers. Look at that. We're seeing a 1 minute breakout. Things are changing. We're seeing a 1 minute breakout here. We might see a 1 minute breakout. Five-minute. Might want to take this one into that candle and slightly above the wick. 760s could be their choice. 760s. Yes. We had a good chance basically to go once again for the red line. We've been all the way into the red line today every single time we had a retracement on the 5 minute, as you can see. Currently, it is actually the first time we're forming a gap here. You know, this one is going to be touched. It's not a big deal. It's 728. The only question is when. Let me see if this was just a trap for the upside or it's a stronger move. Let me see that. I'm ready to put my skin in the game to discover it. I'm ready to put my skin in the game to discover that. $20 micros long, 6 points needed. We gotta shoot up from here. We can't get rejected once again. It's not gonna be a good sign for me. Stop loss and break even, guys. If it gets rejected, you are coming back in the wick. Let it run, boys. Selling 5 contracts. 5 more. Look at this price action, guys. If it's not wicking into your take profit, it does this. Increasing my take profit a little bit. Bring it up, guys. Increasing my take profit for a stronger move. What do you guys think about? Yeah. Certainly willing to put my skin in a game where my mouth is. We're risk-free. And a good chance to hit a target, 150 bucks in profit. If we do another 7 points. Look at that one, guys. Keep it going. I'm trailing here. I'm trailing there. And I'm getting ready for the fireworks, to be honest with you. Even the trailings are entitled for fireworks. $7.54. I just want a little wick above, considering no volume. Gold! Ho ho! It's not bad. It's not bad. We love it. We love it, guys. We talked about gold. We talked about... Oh, let me just speak once again about it. But in the meantime... So here's the 4 hours representation. We talked about gold on the stream. Lovely. Lovely. Absolutely lovely. Look at that one. Ho-ho. We talked about it. We've done the analysis on this move in the previous streams. Oh, we got a little bit lucky here. Avoiding the trailing. We got a little bit lucky. If we go flat on this one, we're a profit, guys, from being down 1,000. If we go flat here. But I'm allowing the markets the chance, and the market makers the chance to prove themselves. How good are they for the Santa Christmas times and delivered at 7.58? Time for justice. Trailing right below the scandal. If you revert, I'm out. Beautiful. We're in profit 20 bucks. You know we celebrate that because we were down 1,000 and now we're in profit 20 bucks. Come on, guys. That's something. Boom. You know, we had you know, I'm testing out a short here with a triple rejection we had on those 1 minute candles. Let me test out a little short here. Let me test it out. We are back. Let me test out a little short here. We had a triple rejection at a meaningful level on the 1 minute. Could see a continuation downwards, otherwise I'm just, you know, gonna cut it away simply here at the top. 132, I'll take that loss. Not an issue. But we have an interesting chance at the end of the day. This is the Flex account, guys. I'm going to open up a short here as well. With a stop loss above. Same trade. Or stop loss might get touched there. Yeah. They brought it up once again. Opening a new short here. With a stop loss right above. $30 for the loss, not an issue. But it could be an interesting chance here for 30 points movement. Yeah, this is the place I actually opened a new short. That's just crazy price action, right? Look at that one. Whoa. We exploded. 228 down. Risky to reshort it from here. Risky. If you're not passing or blowing the account, so if there is no conclusion after 30 days, yes. But it's very unlikely after 30 days not to have a conclusion of the account. It's very likely. I have not heard any of our community members. And guess what, guys? We have... Let me tell you something. We have around 400 traders trading actively on YRM from our community, guys. Around 400. I haven't heard a case of getting rebuilt. Usually people trade the challenge accounts quite quickly. You don't need to hurry up, obviously, but 30 days is most of the time sufficient. Yeah, we have a lot of the people with YRM. A lot. What a lovely gap we have here on the daily opening for Nasdaq. Keep that in mind. Made a new high. And we might see the markets retracing again. On Flex we have 157 loss. Here we got 228. Yep. We've got a lot. A lot of people there. Testing out a short here. And I'm going to add to it. Let's see. We made a new high. We're going to see if we're capable retracing of any kind from here. You know, these are risky trades. You just received your second payout for YRM. Congratulations, buddy. Congrats for that. Congratulations. We have an inefficiency here in this 1 minute candle. Here. This one. So markets could extremely easily get back into that one. Yeah. Yeah. Good morning from New Jersey. Welcome, buddy. Great to see you guys. Great to have you on board. We've got the giveaway running soon. 20 minutes to go when the market opens. We're gonna DCA a little higher onto this one. If that's the case, come on. Do not forget about our Discord. And scramble coupon code for the highest discounts pretty much anywhere. 1.6018 extension on that 73.75 could be meaningful. Gotta take it step by step. This is, slowly climbing. And it has this kind of behavior right before it surprises people. Wow, great time from Florida. That's amazing. Hey, Florida. They're hunting something to the upside. Waiting for the late longs to join on board here. It's very, very questionable, guys. You enter the giveaway by joining the forum that you got there, joining our Discord, and then being here on the stream. You gotta be here on the stream. We do the giveaway live here. You gotta guess a number and be a little bit ducky on a duck race. But it's really fun out there, so it's worth it. Yeah, I'll have some limit orders out there. I'll have some nice limit orders waiting there. Come on. Cliff, guys. Cliff. Cliff, guys. Cliff. Couple of points needed. We're loaded up. 39 micros. Oh, look at that wick. They are hunting me. They are actually hunting. No. $7.58. That's all we need. We also have a short on my flex accounts here, guys. Look at that. This one needs 761. Give me that 761 here, guys. Stop loss break even. And we touch it. We touch it, guys. $292 profit here. We're going to celebrate that soon, but let me move on to my YRM. Because I think for the flex, we have all the days and all the money needed for the payout. We're going to verify that very, very soon, guys. And we touch the money here. This is day number 9. Let me flat everything. We don't need any other order. Look at that one, guys. Surprisingly well. Celebration time. There you go. Come on, guys. Looking hot. Looking hot, looking pretty good. 190, day number 9. One more day of $150, and we're going for the payout on YRM, guys. One more day of $150 needed. Let me see what's happening out there on my Lucid Flex account, the one we just traded. Scrambos and fire. Prop firms getting terrified. Exactly. Merry Christmas. Look at that one. So what's happening here for the account? Yep. As expected, guys. Look at that one, guys. Is day number 5 today. Is day number 5 today on 22nd. The one we traded. Here is day number 5 today on 22nd. The account we traded. There you go. This one. It has 292. And the market is pumping right away. But we're out. 292, you know the minimum for the 150k flex funded is 250 a day. We have 292, look at that one. And that's on 22nd today, so it's sufficient, guys. It's sufficient. Look at that one. We're gonna request a payout, guys. We're gonna request a payout on the first Lucid Flex account, and this is 100% confirmed. Look at that one. Scrambos and fire. Prop firms getting terrified. Keep singing, everyone. Come on. We are gonna request the payout. First Lucid Flex. 50% of the balance. What's the balance? 155, 212. That's the balance right there. So the profit is 5,212 divided to 2, because you can take 50% out. It's 2,606. I'll take 2,600 out. Thank you. 2,600 out, baby. And then tomorrow, 2,500 for YRM out, baby. But guess what? we have another account on YRM, which is day number 8 today. I think it's this one. No. This one. Let me see. Is this one? No. This is the one we actually traded today. I think it's this one. And this is day number 8 today. It only needs 100. It actually needs more than a minimum in the 150. It actually needs more. Thank you guys. We're gonna try to make more here. Make sure to like the video, everyone. We're 190 on the stream and there is 120 likes. So we're having 70 likes that are missing. Thank you, Travis, Glasgow. Are you from Scotland, from Glasgow? We're gonna... So we made money in that short, been hunting it. But now it's dangerous. You got paid from IRM quite quickly. Good job, buddy. Congratulations. I think you will see the option once you can request. I think you will be able to see the option to request the payout once you're eligible for that, probably, most likely. That's how some prop firms are. We will get there tomorrow. Scrambos and fire. Oh, great to see you. From United States. Still want to trade this account too. This accounts. And I got some tap one on Project X. But I've got some big deal. You know, guys, our Trade-Evade accounts. Where we made 13 grand on the Sim Pro in 3 days. Pretty wild. Which top one futures instant funding? They got right now 50% off. So it depends. If you are, you know, the most comfortable for the trader is the most popular instant sim funded. That's right. This is, you know, end of the day drawdown, very important. But it's 4,500 on the max loss, right? And it's also 470. At 450 on IRM, with my code you got 450. Instead of getting $4,500 max loss like you get it at Tap on Futures, at 450 here you get 6,000. So 1,500 bucks more. And a payout target 6% here. You got to do 9k for the 150k. 9k. IRM, you can request your payout even at 3,000, for example. It's a big difference with the YRM. As a suggestion, max payout is 2,500 for the YRM. The next payout is 3,000. The next payout is 3,500, and then the next payout is $6,000. One live account you can have. Basically, at YRM with a 150k account, you can actually take from the fourth payout 6 grand per account. Yeah, Savia's promotion is here. So we're going to do as well this week a weekly roundup for the promotions because it's Monday, I guess. Yeah, it's 22nd Monday. So in our Discord, in the sales and promotion tab, plus I'm sending you an email on Mondays, you will be able to see the promotions that are. I haven't posted the promotions of this week, But Savius didn't change. They have 60% off. The promotion came through on the 20, 60% off for the 50 and the $100,000 accounts. There's going to be more promotion, guys, for other accounts too, for the 150K, for example, and the percentage will change. I can tell you that. And I think it's going to be pretty soon, so you'll have to wait a little more on that. I can't tell you the exact schedule of the promotions, but if you want the 150K account, then you just have to wait maybe a little more. Yeah, that 300K as well. I'll make sure the 300K is going to be included in the promotion. And now I'm going to update you guys with that one. This is an interesting spot here. Let me try to see how does the short works here with a stop loss above. I'll take 48 bucks if needed and less. This account is day number 8. Beautiful, guys. The 5-minute algo. We lost 60 bucks on that loss. Cheers, everyone. Yeah, I'm gonna make a video about them. I'll have a new round of videos reviewing these firms. Lucid, YRM, Top 1, Savius for 2026. I'll have these videos in January, right? We're gonna make a review, a fresh review with all the details that are totally updated for 2026. The old review videos we have are no longer up to the current situation. Yeah. Good morning, welcome guys. Testing out a short here. Let me tell you something that could be interesting, guys. That could be interesting, that 1 minute we have here. I'm testing out a short. Let me see if I smell this right. I'm going to get into two contracts here as well. And in this case, it is no longer micros. It is basically minis here. And I'd like to grab a short on a Lucid Flex account too. On a Lucid Flex account too, I've grabbed the short. Come on. Stop loss right there. Let it run, baby. I've grabbed the short on a Lucid account, Flex to here, a single contract, putting the stop loss on break even. This is a Flex account. We have way more than in the other. We have $6,800 here. I'll show you the stats soon. I just need this one to get down to my targets around the 60s. This one is looking quite interesting. Oh, look at that one. They wiped me out. 47 bucks. They wiped me out with that one. I'm out from here too. This is, unknown what's going to happen. And we got stopped out on the Flex for the Quant Tower as well. We made $1.5. Yeah, let me share with you guys, for those of you that haven't watched and you might have a bit of a time, we have made a quite interesting video for the Lucid Flex with some great strategies in board. Certainly a mean one. Thank you guys so much. Come on, keep it up. So, where's my last video that I posted? Market opens in a minute. You want to be careful. You certainly want to be careful. Right, so here's yeah, I think we get a form of a rally. That's the last video I posted about Lucid Flex versus the Lucid Direct accounts. I think it's very important. 15 seconds to go. I'm gonna try to see if I can monetize something. There you go with the opening bell, guys. Best of luck, everyone. Beautiful, beautiful drop. No surprise, you get this. We've been in a short. No trade yet. If it runs back up, I'm grabbing some contracts here. 6 micros. Yeah. Let's go, guys. This candle would be lovely to be red. And to break below the previous one. That would be lovely. That would be lovely. I'm reshorting this. We're not out there on big sizing. Certainly not. Yeah. Ho ho. Let's see. What is out there? What is out there to be expected from this case? We got that drop that I need, or I don't want to see this candle being bought up. No. Lovely. Lovely, guys. Keep it going. Keep it going to my target. We sold. Oops. Let me go flat on that. 388 profit, guys. 388 profit. Also made profit on my FlexCon Tower. This is 388 profit here. Did smell the whole thing right. Trading it right. Look at that one. Let me share with you our Quant Tower. $331 on this account, which is the other Flex. It has 157,131 inside. 157,131. Let me see where is the account? Where is the dashboard of it? Which is that one? I think this is the one. Oh, look at that one, guys. Celebration time. We got 2 days like that plus what we made today, but this is just needing the minimum 250s, and we're taking the payout here. And in this case scenario, it's gonna be the max payout. Boom. Absolutely lovely, guys. Absolutely insane. Thank you so much. These are the Lucid Flex accounts. No consistency. No payout target on the funded stage for the Flex. Right now, they're running on 40% off. Some of the accounts are 40% off. Not all of them. But look at that one. So today for the 22nd, we made 331. We have 157,131 in 3 days. 2 more days are needed, and we're taking the payout here as well. And in this case scenario, we're taking a 3 grand payout. So this week, we just secured a flex payout earlier today. And I might be able to secure with 2 more days of $250 each a 3 grand payout. We only need 1 more day for a YRM. And this one that we traded earlier, 388, we need 2 more days for this one. Right, so we actually have 4 accounts this week extremely close to the payout. Actually, one of the accounts, one Lucid Flex, has been fully confirmed. Make sure to join our Discord, guys. Make sure to join. That's just a pretty good way to... Oh, look at that drop. All the way into the golden... all the way into the fair value gap we talked about, and probably even lower. You know, we have the 5... 50K. Remember, we bought 5 50K evaluations for the YRM. Remember? And we made 1,480 in the first day. Let's see if we can do something with this fund. We already have 5. We already have 3 funded accounts. Let's see if we can do something. Run it all the way back. We're copy trading 5 accounts of 50K evaluations. Allows micro scalping as exceptions. The 10 seconds are there. If you have exception here or there, it's fine, but you gotta respect that rule most of the time. That looks pretty good, guys. That looks pretty good here. That looks pretty good here. I'm gonna add more to this. I just love it. It comes back. And if it goes lower, I'm gonna add even more. Yeah. These are 5 evaluations of 50K, $44 with my code. Look at that one, guys. About to pass this 5 evaluations. If we hit 708, stop loss. Not gonna put any stop loss here. Come on. Get to my target and we pass 5 evaluations of 50K with the YRM. Get to my target, baby. 708. That's all I need. We have DC8 here. Stop loss on my entry right now. What on earth? That was like a point away from my exit. Look at that one, guys. That was a single point away from my exit. What's gonna happen here? This is 5 evaluations copy trading. Come on. Nah. It's not like I need this 5 evaluations right now. We got 3 funded accounts of 150k instant funded. But I wanted to do an experiment. Getting back into my trade here. Let's see if they're running it back up. Look at that one. How many wicks and what's the pressure here, guys? If it holds. Reloading in here too. For this Lucid direct accounts. They only have $700 max loss. Gonna get some Quant Tower trade of
Order filled. Order filled.
Here.
Order filled.
Where's my... Here's my Lucid. Putting the stop on break even for the Lucid. Almost we touch here, stop loss on break even. We almost touched the take profit here for the... They brought it back again. Oh my god. You guys saw that, right?
Order filled.
We got stopped out on break even there. This ignite and tap on future testing a long.
Order filled.
Order filled.
I got into longs once again.
Order filled.
Re-added to that one.
Order filled.
Order filled.
For the ignite, we only need 557 here. That's the target. 708. Not a big deal. This one, I'm gonna leave it for a good runner. And then here, well, if it's to pass this 5 evaluations, we might be able to do it from here or from a little lower. We're gonna find it out. There's not much drawdown left here. We need the reaction. This account is just, you know, $500 away. Nvidia is taking us down right now. Yeah. But we touched the 200 EMA here for the Nasdaq, and could it give us a bounce? We have a massive inefficiency in the opening candle. Yeah. That's interesting. Lucid Direct. This one is, you know, quite comfortable for the target there on the 500. Yeah. Come on. Give me that to me, chat. 708. Stop loss and break even here. Nah, it's not good. It's not good to put a break even right now. It's not good. It's not good right now. Gotta leave it open. Gotta leave some flexibility here. We're too tight. As soon as we break above the 700s, I can go on my break even. But this moment needs to be left like this. Come on. We got a bunch of the longs here. Yeah. This is going to be an interesting candle, guys. This one. Stop loss and break even. Beautiful. Come on. There you go. $545. We touched the target here. Profit. This one is going to go on break even. On Lucid Direct. I'll take you to break even. But we touched the target at least on the Ignite account. 545. This one is going to go break even too. Keep surviving. Come on, guys. Fireworks time.
Order filled.
We touched the break even here. We touched the break even on the direct side. But we actually hit the target. We actually hit the target on the Ignite Tap 1 futures. We got to celebrate that one too. We're not going to let it down. Tap 1 has been great. We've cashed out close to 50 grand from there this year, so boom. No Black Friday promotion for them. Gotta change the banners. Back into my long. Where is it? Back
Order
into my
filled.
long. A single contract here. And I'll do some contracts over here too. For this challenge accounts. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Lovely, right? We're gonna add some more to this. We gotta do this 1,500 for the 50k evaluations. This is looking pretty decent.
Order filled.
Pretty decent. If the 1 minute finds strength here, we're flying. Stop loss and break even for the Lucid Direct accounts. Same thing for YRM. Yeah, we had a trade here on Trade Evade, but it got stopped out on our daily loss. Tap 1 futures Trade Evade. The SimPro accounts that we bought are on Trade Evade, yeah. Most of the time I'm sitting on minis. I don't have a minimum. I rarely have a maximum, let alone a minimum. This is minis. Come on, big boy out there. Give me that lovely profit. I need this 1,800. I need this. The time we started the stream, the max loss was $700 for this 3 Lucid direct accounts of 150k. So I need this for my buffer. Do not dump it. Do not. And if we touch that 742, we also pass 5 evaluations in 2 days of YRM. I got 3 funded of 150k. But I did wanted to challenge myself and see how it goes. Good job, buddy. Good job. Yep. Now I'm very happy today that we got to a payout stage with a Lucid Flex. One Lucid Flex. The other YRM is day number 9 today. Tomorrow is going to be last day. Very happy about the whole thing. I think this is still going up, guys. I think this is still going up, guys, for the next minutes. Let's see and wait. That 1 minute here we had is quite juicy, guys. This candlestick is juicy. So my target halfway through is just gonna enjoy that little piece of cake. Come on. You know what I'm doing? I'm putting break even right below this. I'm trailing right below this. 713, my trailing. Same thing here. If you reject there, there's big chances to touch my previous stop loss and break even. So the gap is not worth
Order
to leave
filled.
it. There you go. Look at that. If you break that level, there's a big chance you touch my previous stop loss. So no way I'm leaving $500 for nothing. Alright guys, so it's running right now as we have exited, which is lovely. But that's the name of the game. Time to do the fireworks show. You know, I'll take this $500 here. I'm not gonna rush into anything, you see. I'm not gonna get greedy. We have profits back to back today, very important. With the first trade, we struggle. This is the tool, Web Paint tool. It's an add-on from Chrome. Web Paint tool. It's an add-on from Chrome browser. Yeah, 587 here is good. We have 1,200 max loss. Not forcing it. We touched the target here on Ignite 545 profit. Look at that one. Pretty good, right? We have a 5 days winning streak. And we have $7,500 in this Ignite account. We were trading this account since September, guys. Yeah. It actually kicked me out and then it started flying as usually. But we had a great time today because we qualified for a payout with a flex. We also have day number 9 on YRM. All right, guys. So let me get ready for the giveaways. Let me get Let me get ready for the wheel. Let me get ready for the ducks. Let me get ready for everything that's needed. You got a last minute chance, sign up for the form. We're trading 150k instant funded for YRM and 50k evaluation, which is just 44 bucks. 201 members joined. Time for fun, time for giveaways, and time for spectacular moments. Alright guys, so what do you gotta do in order to join? Pretty much simple. How to join. Time to question that, how to join. Well, everyone liked the video. You gotta like the video, guys. Come on. It's time to celebrate our big Monday. Thank you so much. We had a great session in trading. We had no loss. 0 losses today on all the accounts. And we just called it a day exactly at the right moment, I feel like, continuing from this condition would really expose me to unnecessarily losses. Thank you guys. And then join the Discord. Beautiful. We're on fire. So, first giveaway will be 25k top 1 futures, end of the day drawdown, instant funded. Perfect results. Yeah. You're welcome, buddy. We're streaming daily Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time with giveaways daily. So, first giveaway will be $25,000 top 1 futures instant funded. A single gas per person, no multiple accounts. Please. Now, watch for the numbers we're doing. We're going to do 10 zeros. And 3 number 1, 3 number 2, and 3 number 3. Alright guys, so you can start. 10 zeros, and then 3 out of number 1, number 2, and number 3. 3 out of each of that, right? 10 zeros, and then you got that specific data set. That specific combination. Keep it strong, keep it aggressive, guys, come on. We had a lovely day. All the way, profits. All the way. Had a bunch of green tea today. I'm up since 5 AM. Feel great. Feeling great. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. No more guesses. It's over, guys. We're gonna shuffle all of them this way. Best of luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. $25,000 instant funding account, end of the day. No, kids are up at 6. I just had enough sleep. I've been sleeping from 9:30 p.m. right? So I slept at 9:30 p.m. That's going to be a 0, guys. It's 0, guys. This is the first giveaway. We're going to have 2 more. Ho! Look at that one. We got the zeros. Congratulations. That's a big one, Oliver. Great one, winners. It was not that difficult with the zeros, right? But we're going to find it out, because I guess a lot of the people expecting the numbers number 2, number 3 usually, and number 1. 78 for the winners. We didn't cross the 100. You know, when we have more than 100 winners, we do second round of duck race with the top 3. But it's not the case. We'll get you on 30 seconds, guys. We'll get you on 30 seconds. We're going to shuffle and let you fly. Here we are. Yeah, Master Trader, you got your second payout for YRM quite quickly. Congratulations. This is the first giveaway for today, guys. We've got 2 more, so keep in touch. Come on. 5 seconds to go. Someone is speeding up. Peter. Peter or Petar? Petar Georgiev. Congratulations, buddy. Let's find it out if you're on the list. If you completed a form. Peter. Georgiev, we're gonna find it out if you did completed a form. Hope you did, buddy. There you go. Congratulations. You did complete a form and you got your $25,000 top 1 futures. Good job, Georgiev. Petar Georgiev. Congratulations. Beautiful. Great. That's a good one. Instant funding account. That's a good one. Instant funding account. We're going to the second duck race, guys. Second duck race. We're going to change these numbers and give it a different structure. But let me tell you what we do in the second. Let me tell you. So, we will do in the second duck race. Second giveaway, I mean. We will do 50K Lucid Pro. 50K Lucid Pro. Now let me organize the numbers. So we're gonna do 5 zeros. 1 number 1, 1 number 2, 1 number 3, 1 number 4, 1 5, and 1 6. And that's it. Start right now. Best of luck. 5 zeros. And then a single number from 1 to 6. That's a lot of variety there. We've got 11 entries, and out of this 11 entries, 5 are on 0. The rest of the 6 is from 1 to 6, guys. Best of luck, everyone. Come on. This is a $50,000 Lucid Pro account. You don't need to pay any activation fee, none of that. Right? All the accounts we share on the giveaway do not require you to spend an extra penny. None of that. No, you got to take the account and bring it to the payout conditions. Some are instant funded, other are challenges, but you got to do your best, guys. And we do giveaways daily. We usually do minimum 125,000 a day, which is $500,000 a week, right? It's $500,000 a week minimum. But I'm smelling we're doing around $600,000 to $700,000 a week in giveaways. That's how much we do. And that's basically above $2 million in worth of accounts per month. For sure. Maybe 3, 2.5, something like that. Stop right there. No more guesses, guys. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. I'm gonna shuffle them this way. And let you go for a nice runner. Shuffle this way and let you go for a nice runner. You know, that could be number 3, guys. That could be number 3. Could be. But it might be number 4. Depends how does the pedal works, guys. You know, this is a rigged game on the wheels. It's the number 4. Congratulations for the winners. Congratulations out there. You know, it's the pedal. That's the reason. There you go. It's the pedal, guys. Couldn't stop it at number 3. Couldn't stop it, guys. It was so rigged. Congratulations. For the winners. We're going to have the list coming out soon with a number 4 and the winners out there. Only 19, look at that one. Oh my god, only 19. Have you seen a duck race with 19 players competing with more than 5% chance for a massive Lucid 50k account? Oh my god. Look at that one, guys. 19, more than 5% chance. Keep it running. 10 seconds to go. Who's going to speed up? Fatty Mar. Fatty Mar with a purple. We got you, Fatty Mar. Congratulations. Look at that. Fatty Mar. Let's find it out. Are you here? Yes, you are. Congratulations, Fatty Mar. You got this, 50k Lucid Pro. Are you here on the chat? No? No, Fatty? Looks like it's not here. But it did completed the form and guessed the number and then disappeared. Right? That's interesting. So let's just get to the last duck race. We're gonna verify if it's not a bot. We're gonna verify. We're gonna verify if it's not a bot. Because we have seen that pattern, guys. And we certainly knew about it. So not an issue. The account is not going to be lost. We're going to re-offer the account if needed in the next streams. So, time to see the next one, the third giveaway, guys. Third giveaway is YRM 50k. YRM 50k account for the third giveaway. Think about it. But there's going to be some, you know, crazy numbers out there. So we're going to do 10 zeros. Right? 10 zeros. One number 1, one number 2, one number 3, and 3 lucky 7s. Again, you can start right now. Let me know your numbers. 10 zeros, one number 1, one number 2, one number 3, and then 3 number 7. Triple lucky 7. Look at that one, boys. Come on. Let me see if I can attract you into that number 7 guess. That's what I want to do, guys. I want to take you psychologically into that number 7 guesses. Can I get you there, guys? Because I got my pedal shaking my leg And I think we're up to something. It's just, I don't know what. But just for you to know, guys, I'm up to something right now. Could be that single numbers. Interesting. Or do we get a flat, unsalted zero? Are we down to that? Come on, guys. You guys remember Google had a search button. I'm feeling lucky today or something like that. Is that still available for Google? They had a search next to the button. They had a button like that. I'm feeling lucky today or something like that, right? I think that was available in the past when I was a little younger than today. I'm 30, guys, so that's a lot. Keep it up. Come on. 31 actually. Stop right there. No more guesses. Feeling lucky today. Stop right there. No more guesses. No more guesses. This is a 50K YRM. One of our community members just got paid out today from them. Let me see how can I shuffle this to make it even more complicated. So look at that one, guys. Let's do some analysis of the wheel. Wheel analysis on the chart. If it falls on that side, it's over. But the other part of the range, if you've been going with the zero, you don't have that many chances. Right? The lucky 7 is at the entry point and ending point of that nice chain of zeros. We've done an analysis right now. Best of luck, everyone. Come on. If we have more than 100 winners, which might be with our zeros, we get into the zero section, guys. We pass that number 7 with green. We pass it for sure. And we get into the zero section. It's unavoidable. Unfortunately, for those of you going for the lucky 7, that was pretty close, but my pedal is not. I'm pressing, but it's not delivering. It's not reacting. It's a silly connection. Oh, look at that one. You got it to the zeros. Congratulations. Oh my gosh. I think I've trapped you into the 7, into the lucky 7 by putting them at the end on a triple side. Did you guys? I guess I need a new pedal as a gift. Guys. Come on. Lucky 7 is not lucky 7. It's a lucky 0. And we've got here 82 winners. Haven't crossed that limit of 100, but this 82 great fellas were paid for 2 minutes. 2 minutes competition time, no shuffle. You're gonna fly from the first AM. Let's get to it. It was a pretty predictable flat winning today. Look at a spider, come on. Antares, where is Quantum? Where are you, Quantum? Let me see if I can see your name. Quantum. Free Humanity is speeding up at the bottom. Rocky Trades Futures coming from the top. The genius out there trying to... Quantum is right there in the highs coming through. I can see you next to the Zill right there at the top. Pedal at 30s and being stopped out at 7. That's the secret recipe. Pedal at 30s and getting stopped out at 7. Candle And the tap is gonna get stuck out soon. I'm just fixing it right now, guys. You know, I'm fixing it. Gunner, get back. So if you guys want to win, you shouldn't be on the screen right now. You shouldn't be on the screen right now if you want to win. Like, that's the only thing you want to hope. Not to see your name right now at this timing. You want me to speed up, guys? Tell me, which pedal? From the left foot or from the right foot? Tell me. Left foot or right foot? Come on. Who's gonna speed up right now? It's unknown. But we got a Panda. And we got Frank. We've got Frank, which is always one of the first guys on the stream, joining daily. Frank, there you go. Congratulations, buddy. Frank. Hey. Look at that one, Frank. I see your name daily on the stream. I see your name daily. Frank, let's find it out that you completed the form. There you go, Frank. Congratulations. Congratulations, buddy. Celebration time. Let's just go a round of celebration for our great winners out there. Oops. This way, this way, this way. This way. Thank you so much, Badger, once again. Thank you, community. Thank you, chat. Boom. What a lovely day. No losses. And good profits. No losses and good profits. Winners, reach out to me on Discord to grab your accounts. Careful, careful, guys, of the scams. We're looking forward to it tomorrow. We're going to continue tomorrow. We're also going to continue on 24th Wednesday, right? So we've got 2 more streams this week. 2 more this week. And then 3 next week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Even on 31st Wednesday, last day of the year. I think, I'm not 100% sure, but I think I'm going to stream. I just love this, guys. So, thank you so much, community. Looking forward to it. Keeping in touch on Discord. Sure. Have a lovely day. Have a lovely day, guys. Looking